In order to get a good mini dash bread bowl, you must make a mess. If you don't make a mess, it absolutely will not turn out. So I'm gonna take a Mexican style blended shredded cheese, and I'm just going to sprinkle it in my preheated mini dash bread mold maker. My fork. Sorry you guys, I'm just holding you with my hand, trying to show you really quick how I make bread bowls. This is like not a professional video of any sort. This, add just a little bit more, try to get it up along the walls. And then we're gonna go in with our Chaffle mix. Babe, can you hold this? Yeah. Trying to do this one-handed is not working. Put all of our Chaffle mix in. I don't want to be in the video, please. Alright, so we have just enough left for one more. This is just a little bit of coconut flour, a little bit of almond flour, a little bit of ketochow savory chicken, 3 eggs, a little bit of baking powder, and a handful of cheese into the mix. And then I'm going to do another sprinkle of cheese on top. This makes your bowl crispy. Then we're just going to close this and let it run a couple cycles. Stay right there. This is your end result. A very crunchy, ready to go bowl. And just for fun, I dropped in some sourdough flavor drops. I don't even know if this will work because this smelled like banana, not sourdough, so I don't know. We'll see, but this is the bowl. And we're making keto chow broccoli cheese soup. Thanks, bye.